Hi everyone, and welcome back again. I am wondering if you are wondering what all of the hubbub is about symbols. As you may or may not know, there are actually three types of symbols in Flash. There are graphic symbols, movie clip symbols, and button symbols. And while this tutorial does focus on graphic symbols, we will be learning about the other types in future lessons. I want to explain to you the basic concept of what a symbol is for. Now, the idea of a symbol is that you can take any of your artwork, whether you made it in Flash or in another application and imported it into Flash, and you do something to it. And what that is you convert it to a symbol. The symbol is now an object that you can use and reuse throughout your movie production. So anytime I need a circle in any component, piece, or part of my movie, I'll use this graphic circle. So I'm going to show you how to do the process of creating a symbol real quickly, and then we will go over it again in detail in the next lesson. So now in Flash, I'm going to create a circle with this oval tool and then convert it into a symbol. To draw the circle, I will click and drag out, and then using the regular selection tool, otherwise known as the black arrow or the selection tool, the object must be clicked on the stage. And so if the artwork was imported, and we'll go over that later, we would select it just like this and choose Modify, Convert to Symbol. When I choose this option, the Convert to Symbol dialog box opens up, and you'll notice that there are three choices for type, as I mentioned earlier: graphic, button, and movie clip. And as a general rule, I like to keep organized, and to do that I give all of my different symbol types their own prefix. For graphics I use GRFK, for buttons I use BTN, and for movie clips I use MC. As you'll notice over here, GRFK, here's a graphic symbol and its icon. MC, here is a movie clip symbol and its icon. And then finally here is the button symbol and the button icon, and I gave it these three prefixes. So with the object selected, the Convert to Symbol dialog box is set to the right type. I am making a graphic circle, GRFK _ circle. When I click OK, you will notice that the graphic circle is now stored in the library. So all of the symbols that you make, all of the artwork that you convert, lives in the library of your particular file. And yes, you can share libraries with other files. So once you've made a really great set of symbols, you can use it over and over again in various Flash projects. Another thing that's good to notice is that the object on the stage now is actually changed. It is no longer, as I said, raw art, but it is the instance of graphic circle. If I change something here at the graphic circle level, all of the instances of the circle in my movie will change. However, any properties, using the property inspector, I can set properties. Any properties that I set to individual instances do not affect the parent symbol and do not affect each other. And so I can scale this, rotate this, even tint and color this, and not do anything to harm the original parent symbol. The outcome of your Flash file is a SWF file, and the size of that file is largely dependent on the combination of all of the component pieces inside of that file: the bitmaps, the vectors, the text, even the sound. The purpose of creating the symbol is to minimize the overall size of your final file by allowing you to use pieces over and over again anytime you need them. So if you're building objects with circles, you can use the same circle, the same graphic circle, over and over again. And it's a good idea to get used to using symbols early in the game when you're animating with Flash, and that way you'll stay organized and keep your file sizes down as small as you can. So let's begin to create some symbols now.